Time now to talk about your health. If you struggle with snoring, it could be a sign of a serious problem, but there's a new treatment to help, and Dr. Trupti Patel is here to tell us all about it. Let's just start with what is snoring and why do we do it?
Sure. So first of all, thanks for having me on the show. Snoring is something that affects 90 million Americans, according to the National Sleep Foundation. 37 million of those folks are chronic snorers, meaning they snore every night. And so snoring essentially happens when the tissue in the back of your throat becomes very floppy, it covers the airway, and then as you breathe, the vibrations on that tissue cause the snoring sound.
Okay, is there anything you can do at home to prevent snoring?
Absolutely. So, you know, there are certain things that can cause snoring that you can avoid. Certainly alcohol, drinking alcohol too close to bedtime can actually cause snoring. Also allergies, if you have allergies and they're not treated, those can, also cause, that can cause snoring. Then you have pillow. So if you're sleeping on a really soft pillow, maybe you want to get a firmer pillow. Also, sleeping from your back to your side can certainly help you with the snoring.
Those things can help snoring. What about sleep apnea? Is that something different?
Absolutely. So sleep apnea, it can be a very serious disorder. Not all snorers have sleep apnea.
Okay.
So it's important to get appropriate diagnosis by maybe talking to your primary care provider. And some of the symptoms that can clue you into the diagnosis of sleep apnea is if you end up not feeling really rested, or you have daytime sleepiness, as well as if you have witnessed apneic episode, which means you stop breathing for short periods of time while you're sleeping and snoring.
Okay, that's sleep apnea, but for snorers,
yes,
you have this treatment that is really changing lives. It's called NightLase. Tell
Yes.
me, what exactly is it?
Okay, so NightLase is the latest and greatest treatment out there using laser technology. And basically what it does is it constricts the tissue in the back of your throat that becomes floppy because of lack of collagen. So it also helps generate the collagen and tighten everything up. So it's a very effective treatment.
Yeah, and no pain, super simple.
Absolutely. It takes about 20 minutes. There's no pain, there's no anesthesia. You're basically in and out, and it's highly effective. About 80% of snorers respond to this treatment.
Yeah, which is amazing. And we have the before and afters too, and you can see why it's effective.
Yes, so here you can see how the tissue in the back of the throat is nicely constricted, and you see how open the airway is, and that's how, the air can get in and not vibrate and decrease the snoring.
Yeah, you have room to breathe. That's going to help.
And it'll help you get a restful night's sleep.
Yeah, and your partner's restful night's sleep too,
Absolutely, yes.
And you also have a special offer for anyone watching, because I know a lot of people are like, I need this now.
Yeah, so I offer free consultation, so I certainly encourage you to come in and get that. So the free offer that I have right now for Midday Arizona viewers is if you buy 3 treatments, so generally you need about 3 or 4 treatments, you can get your 4th treatment for about 50% off.
Yeah, you see it right there. Free consultation, everyone. And then if you buy 3 treatments, you will get the 4th off, 50% off if you mention Arizona Midday. And you can learn more or sign up for that consultation at skinvolutionaz.com.